Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Lagman, maingay masyado si Lagman. It's like an attack dog. He's no different from ito hong sabihin na ho natin si Sunny T ng Bitag Farm. Si Trillanes. They're just making a lot of noise, and I don't really understand. What kind of outcome do you want? You want to twist the arms of those justices na baliktarin yung kanilang decision, which was based on technical and legal, not on a moral issue. Kasi pagdating sa moral pa rin, mali pa rin kayo eh. The best way is to rest the issue and just let the history books determine it kung tatanggapin ng mga henerasyon na sinasabi ho natin. Henerasyon na sila ho the decision will have to be left within the demographics. But I believe ito ho yung mga demographics ho ngayon ng mga kabataan. These demographics, the brat demographics, the rich brat, thinking that they have that they can lead. Ito yung mga rich brats na nag-aaral sa mga prestihiyosong universidad at kolehiyo. Magagali ho kayo sa akin, ano? If you want to come up with a survey, SWS, come up with a survey about Marcus Burial and then go back doon sa demographics ng 15 to 25. Titingnan ho natin kung anong kaalaman nila. Huwag naman natin sabihin ang nakakaalam dyan, ang mga Saints ko, Miriam, or Ateneo lang ang matudunong yan. That you're the leaders and selected to proclaim yourself as leaders for the other kids while your parents don't even know anything about martial law. Kaya mga bata, go back to school. Shut the F up and just study.